Hello everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate our major project in this video. Well, the project is divided into four main modules. First one is summarization of the text. The next is audio conversion. Another one is paraphrasing, and the final one is PPT conversion. In order to deal with it, we need to load the modules and run the code cell by cell. We will be using Google Colab for the demonstration of the project. So in the for the initial phase, we need to install the modules that we need, such as here we are installing the spacing module that will be further required for our project. And the next we will be installing the sentence splitter, which will be splitting of the sentences that will be present in the text. Next one is we need to install the transformers and sentence piece. This will convert the sentences into piece by piece, or simply we can say in a token form. And finally we will be importing the spacing module along with the stop words and all other important factors. On the sixth cell we will be loading the in-core web SM, which is a pipeline to encounter all the text related problems. And the next we will be installing the newspaper 3K, which will be working for the if we need to provide some link for the demonstration of the project, then this is required. After that, here we are providing the text in a document format, so it is loaded in the doc. And again, we are presenting that the same document, that is the text are shown here. And again, we need to keep that document in the NLP. So we are loading the document into NLP, and finally we are again showing it as doc. The total number of sentences present in the text is shown here, that is 15 that we have provided. And the next, with this command, we will be getting all the stop words that are present, like proposition, adjective, noun, verb, that are not required, that will be taken out from in this. And here it is printing the stop words. After running these all, again here the maximum the words that are repeated again and again is is shown here. That is, pollution is repeated for 14 times, air is for 13. Simply we can say that it is counting the weightage. And the next, this loop is for extracting the sentences that is having more weightage and are important for the extraction of the summary. Simply we are printing small sentence here. Again, here we will be getting the summarized sentences from the above by comparing the weights and all those. Here we are getting the summarized sentence. And again, if some main points are remained, then that will be again joined with this, the 18 number block. And lastly, the we will be getting the final summary of the text that is summarized. So up to here, the first module is completed, that is summarization of the text. Again, the next part is converting the text into audio format. So for converting it, we need the GTTS module, that is Google Text to Transfer Translate. For that, we are importing the GTTS module, and again we are importing the OS because operating system is the one which will be acting over it. In the 23 block, we have kept language as English, and we are getting the text, that is the summary one, and we are saving it as output.mp3 file that will be saved here, and we will be seeing it in the last. Again, we up to here, the output will be converted into audio format, and that will be saved as output.mp3. The next part is conversion of the summarized text. Sometimes we feel like something will be mistake, some grammatical mistake, and it can be encountered. For that, we will be using paraphrasing. That what it does is it will convert the error one into fine sentences. So for that, we are installing the torch module, and then again we are importing the torch. In that also we are importing the Pegasus paraphrase as a that is a model name. We are importing that one. Here it is getting downloaded, and after downloading, we will be getting the response that is created through that. So here it is taking the summarized sentence, and five sentences are again listed in this. Here sentence splitter, the initially that we had installed the sentence splitter that is used in is for splitting of the sentences. And if there is some error, it will check out. And in the 29th block we can see a difference from the 27th block, that the output of the 27th block and 29th block can be seen here. Like here we are getting policies to reduce air pollution, comma, therefore, comma. It means here we can simply see that there is a grammatical mistake, but in paraphrase, after getting the paraphrase one, after running it through the paraphrase, we can get that policies to reduce air pollution offer a win-win strategy. Means the therefore is removed and two commas were present there that are also removed from there. So we will be getting this one as the final output. Sometimes some sentences are mixed up. So to get that, we will be using this paraphrase to second sort of paraphrase. In this, that the larger bracket is present, that is present in the output of the 29th block, that is reduced, that is removed, and the inverted comma is also removed. And finally we will be getting the paraphrase text as the main output, that in a find way, that is in 32 number block. So this one is free from error and a perfect. And the last one is converting of the paraphrased text or summarized text into the ppt, uh, as uh, as in our fourth module. So for that, we need to install that PPTX module again for describing the first slide of the presentation. We have some lines of code. So here first we are importing the presentation. After that, root of the presentation. First, the layout of the slide is described here. After that, root dot slides dot add slide, first slide layout. And again the title that is given to the ppt, that is summarized from the summarized text, is given as summarized text in presentation. And then again the text that needs to be transferred here, that needs to be kept in the ppt, is given as a paraphrase text that we have received from the upper cells. So it will be saved in the output.pptx format. And finally we will be printing done after getting the exact output that we were required. And these all are for the layouts and what are the text that needs to be included in the second slide onwards. So all these. And finally we will be getting output. That output will be present in this file. The first one output that we have received is it is showing here as output.pptx, that was saved here in output that we in the while preparing for the first slide. And the final ppt that is generated after means adding the second slide also. And the output.mp3 that we had uh, saved it while running the GTTS model, that is output.mp3 that we had kept, is also loaded here. So on clicking this, it will be downloaded. This also will be downloaded. And finally, yes, let's download this and output.mp3. This will be the output.mp3 will be present as an audio file. We can play it directly. Let's play it.
Policies to reduce air pollution.
Like it is
Therefore,
playing, the audio
offer
file
a
is getting
win-win
played.
strategy for
We
both
can see this
climate.
one, and the PPT that we have received is like summarized text in presentation, policies to reduce air pollution. It is shown here. It is also shown in the bullet point. And the second slide that we didn't had given the content, so it is written as a demo for the second slide. So all